I will answer questions, guys, from YouTube. I'm on my 45 minutes break right now. So, there's question here. Hi May, hindi ba mahirap ang trabaho ng nursing assistant? Hindi naman siya mahirap, pero nung first time ko nung first day ko as the orientation is nahirapan ako, guys. Sobrang hirap niya, sis. Kasi ang daming mga medical terms na dapat i-memorize, and then during reporting, especially like when they do reporting and their English is very slang and they talk very fast. Oh my god, hindi ko maintindihan. Ano yun? What was that? Palagi akong ganyan. And then what else? Nahirapan ako kumuha ng AKG at first. Tas pag yung bladder scan. What else? Yung kukuha ng vital signs. Nahihiya ako sa mga pasyente. Yung una. And then after that, like maybe after a month is pag kabisado mo na yung trabaho mo is hindi na siya mahirap kasi alam mo na yung trabaho mo. Yung una lang talaga yung pinakamahirap. Yun lang.